You can create the most interesting video, the most educating video, or the most intriguing content ever out there, and it still won't get views. Not because the system hates you, but because you are doing something wrong when it comes to uploading your video on YouTube. So one thing I've noticed is that a lot of us beginners, when we got started with YouTubing, all we simply do is that we create the content, we upload it, and we don't care about the other things that we need to do before we hit on that publish button. And this prevents a lot of us from actually getting views and subscribers on this platform. And at the end of the day, we tend to blame it on the system. But the truth is that the system is not at fault. You and I are the ones actually at fault. So if you're a YouTuber out there and you've been uploading video consistently for a week, month, and you are not getting views or subscribers, then this is the right video for you. I need to even tell you what I'm coming to share with you again. Because what? You've personally seen it already before you click to watch this video. So pushing that aside, if you are new here, kindly do the YouTube business by smashing on that subscribe button and also turning on that notification, because I upload videos, 3 to 4 videos or more every single week on how you can actually make money through content creation. So with this already said, let's get straight on my laptop. Let me share with you these things that you need to do in order to actually let your videos grow well on YouTube and also help your channel reach more people. So hello guys, now that you're on my screen, let me take you straight and I share with you the important things you need to do whenever you're uploading your YouTube videos in order to actually get decent amount of views and also get to grow your subscription base. So now let me take you straight into my YouTube studio and then share that with you. So here we are into my YouTube studio right now. I already have a video uploaded, but I haven't sent the video live, and that is a particular video I want to use to do a typical example for you guys on how you can actually get to optimize your videos to get views as well. Now, when you're uploading your YouTube video, the most important thing, which is the number one thing you should pay more attention to, is actually your title. Now, when you're writing your title, one thing a lot of you mistake is that when you're writing your title, you just put in random words there. You don't even have a specific target or something. And this is a big mistake a lot of you do. Like, take a look at this video here that I have here. The video says how to get CapCut Pro for free. Now, you can see that the first part of the video went straight to the point and then telling audience exactly what they are going to get from the video. And that is something very important that you also need to implement when you are uploading a YouTube video. Whenever you're uploading a YouTube video, make sure that your title is straightforward. Your title should be exactly what people are going to search whenever they come into YouTube. Like, before you write your title, ask yourself, what are people going to search to find this video? And ask yourself, if I'm to look for a solution in this topic, how am I going to search it? Now, those are the things you should ask yourself before you write your title. Because when it comes over to YouTube, after getting views from the homepage, the next best page to actually get views is actually from the search tab. And the only way you can get there is making sure that your titles are very clear and easy for both the system to understand and people who are searching for it to also understand. Like, take a look at this one. You say how to get CapCut Pro for free. After that, before I brought in some / and then I put in another keyword again that people might search for, which is unlock CapCut Pro features without paying. Now, these are some of the most important terms that people are going to search for whenever they are looking for this topic. So now, for those of you who might not exactly know how this works, one of the best things you can do in order to actually land here is simply making use of what we call the YouTube search tab. Now, let me say you created a video and then you want to see other titles that people have used before, because it's very important as well. Like, for me personally, there are some videos whereby I don't just wake up and then get to formalize the title. Once I'm done with the video, I go over to YouTube and I look at other videos that are doing well within that same topic and to see how many views they are getting on average. So now take a look at over here. What I simply do, I type in the question here, how to get CapCut for free. So here I did not add a pro tab. I just place here how to get CapCut for free. Now after this, now what you need to do is that take a look at these filters here and look at the channels below 5,000 subscribers that are getting decent amount of views for this particular title. Now, the reason why I said below 5,000 subscribers is simply because channels above 5,000 subscribers, let me say 10,000 subscribers and above, are likely to get a huge amount of views even when they upload videos without doing much work in their titles. And that's the honest truth. So when you are looking for videos to look at videos of 10,000 subscribers, for channels of 5,000 subscribers and below, and make sure that for the past 4 days the video is able to get up to 1,000 views regardless of the number of subscriptions the channel have, provided that is below 5,000. Make sure that within the past 4 days that video has been able to get decent amount of views. Now you just simply have to look through this area like this and get to see that particular video and see those videos with those titles that you're actually looking for within the range that I've given to you. Now let's take a look at this one. This one has 4,800 subscribers. It has gotten 343k views for the past 1 year. And the title says how to get CapCut Pro for free in 2024. So now you see, it's very simple how to get CapCut Pro for free in 2024. Now this is own title. This is not a must for you to use similar title. The most important thing is that see how they've written their title and get to learn from there and also try to create something for yourself within that level. Now if you look at my own title, how to get CapCut Pro for free, I did not add it. I just had to get CapCut Pro for free. Unlock CapCut Pro features without paying. Very simple and straightforward things that will make it appear on the search tab. Now after your YouTube title, the next most important thing that you need to pay attention to becomes your YouTube thumbnail. Yes, you heard me right. Your YouTube thumbnail is very important when it comes to your growth on YouTube. Like if your title can get you on the search tab, the next thing that will determine if people click on your video or not is the thumbnail. And now when it comes to editing YouTube video thumbnail, I only have one advice for, which is keep it simple and straightforward. Like take a look at the one I designed for this particular video here. Let me just show it to you on my desktop. So look at it here, CapCut Pro for free. Like it just went straight to the point. I'm the kind of person when I'm designing my thumbnail, it's either I'm creating curiosity in people's mind, or I'm using equation, or I'm simply going straight to the point, letting people know what they are going to get from the video. Like let me show you some examples of other thumbnail and a video that will also teach you how you can edit your thumbnails as well. So for that, let me just come back to my channel. Now here is my channel here. Now you can see here is a video that will actually help you design thumbnails. So the video says YouTube thumbnails. You can see, look at this particular. I just type in YouTube thumbnails and I put in some flashy thumbnails on the title, on the thumbnails. That's simple and straightforward. So when you're editing your YouTube thumbnails, I will always advise you go straight to the point and keep it simple and straightforward. For those of you who want to learn how to edit YouTube video thumbnails, I'll be tagging this video down in the video description. This video will be available under this video description, so do well to check it out and then go learn how you can also design your YouTube video thumbnails. Like for this particular one right here, you can see it's simple, straightforward. The thumbnail is simple and straightforward, just as I do across all my other thumbnails. Look at this one, using AI videos, 100% free. This one creates curiosity in people's mind. Take a look at this one. I did not say anything. I just added Facebook logo and 2 different images, one image of the problem and one image of the solution. That's simple. How to create folk tales for free, straight to the point. I just went straight to the point, let people know what they are going to get from the video. So this is simply all about YouTube videos. Simply go straight to the point and keep it simple and straightforward. Now that is it about the thumbnails. I've already created a video on how you can edit thumbnails, so I'll be dropping that in the video description. Now after that, the next most important thing you also need to do is simply your YouTube video description. Now why is the description important? After your title and the thumbnail has done their work, another great thing is the description. The description tab, YouTube provided it so that you'll be able to tell the system what exactly your video carries, what exactly you are coming to share with the people on here. Like when you go over to YouTube and search, when you search for a video on YouTube, the first line of the description also always pops up alongside the title. Now that's why when you're writing a YouTube video description, I always pay more emphasis, give more information about the first line of your description. Make sure your first line is also straight to the point. Like take a look at my own. The first line says want CapCut Pro without spending a dime, a question mark, and it goes with what? The title, the how to get CapCut Pro for free. Like the title said how to get CapCut Pro for free, and then the description also went straight and said we want to get it for free. Like it just went straight and then but with a question this time around. Now for those of you who are wondering how you can write your YouTube video description, personally I don't write my YouTube video descriptions myself. I normally use an AI known as Gemini, so which is the Google AI. That is what I normally use to write my YouTube video description. And here is a tag I always give to the AI. I say I want you to create a well SEO optimized. SEO simply stands for search engine optimization. SEO optimized YouTube video description for this topic. Then I put in the video topic here, how to get CapCut Pro for free. That's simple. Now the AI is actually going to generate it and then add in whatever thing that he wants to add. So for me personally, I don't really pay much attention to this other side. I just copy the description. Now once I have the description, at times the description might not meet up with what you want, But the good thing is that you actually have every single right to modify the description to fit into what you yourself you want. That's simply it and straightforward. Now that is it about the description and the thumbnail. So now those are the three most important, like when it comes to your YouTube growth, those are the three most important things whenever you're uploading your video. Things you should never skip. Always create a custom thumbnail. Always use a well and straightforward title. Also make your description simple and straightforward. Now one thing a lot of you do is that when you're writing your YouTube video description, you tend to stock it up with a lot of tags. Well, this is something that a lot of us beginners also do. Personally, I've also done it before. But the truth is that it doesn't help matters in any way. So avoid stressing yourself by filling your YouTube video description with a lot of tags. It doesn't really changes anything that much. So the right thing to do for yourself is putting the tag where they belong. YouTube gave you a free place whereby you should put tags. Now, even with YouTube system, if you go and do a further research, YouTube made it clear that your tags actually don't help matters when it comes to ranking your videos. The most important thing is your video itself, the quality, like the information is shared in your video, the title of your video, and the season you're uploading the video, because there are some topics that do well within a particular time and there are some topics that don't do well within a specific given time as well. So those are the main things that actually determines how your content get views. Your YouTube tags doesn't really play a heavy role as well, but then I always advise you still give it a chance and keep adding the relevant tags. Now when it comes to adding YouTube video tags, I always go straight to the point and let people know that what, use tags that are related to the video. Like my video says how to get CapCut Pro for free. Now take a look at the tag, say how to get CapCut Pro for free. Straight, same as the keyword in the title. CapCut Pro download. Trick to get CapCut Pro for free. Now if you look at all the tags that I use here, every single thing has to do with CapCut Pro and free, CapCut Pro and free, because I know that this is what my video is all about. I'm not going to pick videos tags from some trending topics that doesn't have to do with my video itself. I always advise your tag should be something that has to do with the video you are uploading, because the purpose of your title, tag, and description is simply to tell YouTube what exactly is in that video you are about uploading. That's simply all. They don't have any other fancy purpose on here. Now next up is so I'm just going to add this one also here. Now if you are wondering how I get these tags, well, I don't write these tags manually myself. Most of the times there are two free tools that actually do it for me. So if you are doing YouTube fully on smartphone, I'm not sure you can have access to these tools, but personally I do it on the web. So I have access to all of them. The first one is the vidIQ. So vidIQ is simply a free YouTube video optimization tool that actually help you do a lot of things in order to optimize your YouTube video and your channel in general to actually help you get views. So once you have this Chrome extension or wherever browser you are using extension ready, whenever you're uploading a YouTube video, it's actually going to recommend some tags for you to actually use. And the next up is actually TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy also gives you some relevant tags that also helps in adding to your tags. So like take a look at it. Yes, you can see where TubeBuddy places theirs. So I'm just going to click on them from here. So you just come here, just click on here, and then they get added to your tag, as simple as that. So they simply recommend these tags. So at times whereby these tools doesn't give me the relevant tags I actually need, one thing I actually do is that I get to write these tags myself, because I personally know what my video is about and I know the kind of tags that should get this video to the relevant audience. That's simply all. Now your video language, people overlook this, but I advise you give it a chance. Just put in the language there, because there are some people that comes over to YouTube to search for topics and then they do filter out by language as well. So I always advise that use your language. If you use English over here, feel that you use English in the video. Now for those of you who will be uploading videos from your YouTube app on your smartphone, you might not have access to a lot of these things that I'm sharing here with you, but there's no big deal as well, because the most important three, which is your title, tag, and description and thumbnail, are always available regardless of the device you are using. But these other ones are just mere add-ons that you can give a try to, provided that your device have access to them. Now category, it doesn't really matter. I don't really see any much effect from it. So personally, since I started my channel, I've been using the educational category, so I'm just stick to it. And now when using your category, make sure that what you change this place to none. Just set it to none, and then set your academic system also to none. Just keep both of them as none. I don't really see any relevant thing they do, because one thing I see here is that these ones are simply best for educational channels like channels owned by schools or people teaching the normal school curriculums. Apart from that, I don't see any other purpose with those things. Now, those are the most important things you need to pay attention to whenever you're uploading your YouTube videos. Apart of those things, no any other thing is as important as anything else again. So I've already filled in every single thing here. Like there are ad suitabilities, you get access to these other ones when you are monetized. And the video element is simply adding an end screen and then some other feature, like when you see that a YouTube video plays to the end and then they get to suggest some videos from the channel, well, the end screen actually do that. And the card brings out those ones that always appear in my video descriptions. Now with this already done and said, this is simply every single thing you need to do in order to upload your YouTube videos, and hope for them to get a decent view, because just recording your video and uploading it doesn't guarantee getting views. So once I'm done with all of this, where is the time? It's 3 p.m. in Ghana. I'm just going to hit on publish. So you can see I just published a video whilst also sharing a tutorial here with you. So that's simply all about this video. It's simply that simple and straightforward. Now you can see today I actually uploaded 2 videos, and this is the first time in my life that I'm uploading 2 videos on the same day. The reason is that this video you see under here wasn't the video I planned to upload today. It was actually a paid promotion, so it was an advert I did for a company. So I uploaded it, then I have to wait for about 5 hours before I upload the main video I scheduled for the day. So for my subscribers out there, I'm sorry for delaying the video I promised you guys, but you know we are doing all of this to make money, so I got to make money also. So with that already said, hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section as well. So if you have any problem regarding content creation and all of that, do well to ask me down in the comment section, and I'll make sure that I definitely do a video to answer that question as well. So have a lovely day. Bye.